Have you assessed yourself to have a cool skin undertone and perhaps moved on to assess yourself as a true winter, a true summer, or a cool winter or cool summer? Well, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to share with you some key fundamentals about the cool seasonal color family, and also share with you a bit of a picture montage of people I have assessed to be cool. And after watching this montage, you may be reconsidering whether or not you have a cool skin undertone and belong in the cool color season. Stay tuned. I'm Brailey of carolbrailey.com. I'm completely excited about being inspired to create this video, and I'm going to be creating other videos on warm and neutral, so stay tuned for those. This one is focused on cool, and I am going to walk you through the fundamentals around cool, meaning the cool undertone range and the cool seasonal palettes, and also share with you a picture montage so that you can reference of people who I have assessed or somebody else has assessed, meaning an expert I know has assessed as cool. I'm completely excited about this just because it's not as obvious as you may think. Many people have been commenting on my videos, and even in-person clients and virtual color analysis clients comment about their skin tone and use that as the basis to make their best color decisions. And color analysis is mainly focused on looking at the underlying qualities to your coloring, which is all about your undertone. And so skin tone can change, say, from season to season, exposure to different environments. It can change with pregnancy, illness, perhaps. What else can it change with? Alcohol can change it, smoking can change it, and perhaps medications you're on can even change the outer appearance of your coloring. So it's always best in making your color analysis decisions to look at the underlying qualities to your coloring. And like I said at the intro of this video, is you may be surprised after reviewing this montage that people in that montage are actually a cool skin undertone. At the beginning of this video, I forgot to say, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to this channel. The Carol Brailey channel is growing so fast, and I'm so excited about what's coming in terms of new episodes planned for the channel. Before I move into some key fundamentals about the cool seasonal color family, or families, I just also want to share with you that many in-person and virtual coloranalysis.com clients are completely shocked when they find out, and in many cases they actually see it once I isolate somebody's natural coloring, that they are a cool undertone. Because in many cases, again, they've looked at their skin tone previous to seeing me, or analyzed themselves without their natural coloring isolated. So if someone is coloring their hair, perhaps it can alter their natural coloring. Perhaps they haven't isolated what they're wearing, etc. Meaning your color analysis is based on your natural coloring. And I'll put on the screen here an example of how you should look if you're analyzing yourself. So how can you arrive at whether or not you have a cool skin undertone and belong to one of the fully cool color seasons? Well, to me, the best way is looking at some of the warm colors on you and comparing them to some cool colors, and ultimately deciding that these cool colors look better on you. And again, you want to isolate yourself in natural coloring, natural daylight, no makeup on, etc. I've said that in a ton of my other videos. So that's step one. You may also have looked at your eye pattern if you've looked at my eye pattern video to determine your skin undertone and assess that you have a cool skin undertone through looking at your eye pattern. And then another way to get here, so once you decide that you have a cool skin undertone, you may have also moved on to assess yourself as a true winter, so high intensity, medium to deep coloring in the cool family, or a true summer, so medium to lighter value and low intensity coloring. And you also may have again moved on to assess yourself to be a cool winter or cool summer, and this palette really just sits in the middle of a true winter and true summer. So that's how you get to arrive at whether or not you belong in the fully cool color season family. So cool undertone, true winter, true summer, cool winter, and cool summer are fully cool color seasons. Now on to the very fun part of this video, where I'm going to be sharing with you the picture montage of everybody I've assessed or an expert I trust has assessed to be in the cool undertone and fully cool color season family. You may see people repeated in this montage, and I'm only doing that just simply so that you see them at different times of the year, perhaps different lighting, etc. But I completely can vouch that everybody in this montage are completely cool. All people in this montage, the pictures of them are in my library of photos and are copyrighted, so please don't infringe on this copyright. It's also, if you want to infringe on it, a little bit disrespectful to the people who have given me permission to use their photos, because they haven't given you permission to use their photos. So I'm just sharing these photos with you to help guide you, but please don't reuse them. Now let's move on to the montage. everybody you just saw are in the cool, fully cool skin undertone and color seasonal families. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Stay tuned to my next video. Subscribe to this channel. Let's have some fun.